Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. It is Finished Object Friday. Here is the yarn that my son gave me as a challenge as part of the monthly challenge. As it picks a bunch of yarn and says, here, make something. And this is what I made. My first amigurumi that's not a cup. He's kind of cute. He's strong. I know there's mistakes, but it's a finished object. And then, of course, I made 2 hats. I'm busy doing afghans and a tote bag right now, so that's why I'm a little behind on making my hats. And my machine broke. That's the main reason. But, oh, this one's reversible. Ta-da! In case you don't want the pattern, just reverse it. Okay. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I do appreciate you coming by to see my little owl and my hats and just have a visit. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and giving a thumbs up if you don't mind, and have a great day. Bye.